Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT AI in your Windows PC or laptop. So let's begin. First of all, you just need to open Microsoft Store. Here you can find it. If you don't find, just go to search bar and type Microsoft Store and open it. So after open, you just need to go on search bar. So here you can see it's loading. After open, go to search bar and type ChatGPT, and here you can see it's opened. So right now here you can see this is ChatGPT. Simply open it. So after open, here you can find the option get. Simply select get. So after that, here you can see it's starting for download, and then it's automatically installed. So you just need to wait a couple of moments. Right now here you can see ChatGPT already installed on my PC. So in this way you can very easily download and install ChatGPT in your Windows PC or laptop. Thank you everyone for watching.